Air compressors are similar in many ways to small engines. Both have a piston, piston rings, a cylinder, and valves. Just as a clean air filter is important to protect your lawnmower's engine, you must also maintain your air compressor's air filter to ensure a long pump life. The air filter removes dust, paint, or whatever else might be floating in the air before it can enter the cylinder and cause damage. The filter assembly consists of the filter base, the element, and the air filter cover. Replacing your air compressor's filter assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before performing any work on your air compressor, make sure that you've drained the air out of the tanks. The air filter assembly is threaded onto the cylinder head. I'll use a wrench to remove it. Now I can install the new air filter assembly. It just simply threads back into the cylinder head. And I'll tighten it up with the wrench. And that's how easy it is to replace the filter assembly on your air compressor. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up